Hey everyone! Welcome to Super Timepiece Watch Collectors. Spend years and enormous amounts of money chasing that perfect collection with a dress watch, a diver, a chronograph, and a daily beater. But what if a single watch could cover every single one of those bases perfectly? Japanese watchmakers have quietly built timepieces so versatile and so technically advanced that owning just one genuinely makes an entire collection unnecessary. These are not compromises or budget substitutes. These are watches with movements, finishing, and capability that rival anything Switzerland produces. And in 2026, they look more incredible than ever. In this video, we are counting down 10 Japanese watches that can single-handedly replace your entire collection. From atomic-accurate GPS movements to hand-finished mechanical masterpieces, these watches do everything at once. Let's count down the Japanese watches, proving one truly excellent watch beats 10 mediocre ones. Hey everyone, welcome to Super Timepiece. Number 10. Casio G-Shock GMW B5000 Taun. Full metal, starting our countdown at number 10 is the Casio G-Shock GMW B5000 Full Metal, the watch that replaces your rugged sports watch, your travel watch, and your everyday beater simultaneously. This watch features a full stainless steel case and bracelet, a huge departure from typical resin G-Shocks. The tough solar charging means you never think about batteries again. It receives atomic radio signals in multiple regions for perfect timekeeping automatically. Bluetooth connectivity syncs with your phone for effortless time zone changes while traveling. Water resistance reaches 200 meters, covering swimming, diving, and any weather condition. The shock resistance is legendary, surviving drops and impacts that destroy other metal watches. The design pays homage to the original 1983 DW5000C square shape everyone recognizes instantly. The bracelet is comfortable and adjustable without tools. It works equally well with a suit, gym clothes, or hiking gear. The LED backlight illuminates the display instantly in darkness. World Time covers 48 cities for global travelers. The build quality feels genuinely premium despite the reasonable price. Collectors report wearing this watch daily for years, replacing multiple other pieces entirely. In 2026, this watch looks sharper than ever with refined case finishing. When one watch handles rugged use, formal occasions, and world travel, your collection suddenly feels redundant. Number 9. Citizen Eco Drive Attesa GPS. At number 9 is the Citizen Eco Drive Attesa GPS, a watch that eliminates the need for both your dress watch and your travel watch permanently. This watch features GPS satellite synchronization that adjusts to your exact time zone anywhere on Earth instantly. The Eco Drive solar technology means the battery never needs replacing as long as you see light occasionally. The titanium case is incredibly lightweight, yet remarkably strong and scratch-resistant. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, more than enough for daily life and rain. The sapphire crystal maintains perfect clarity for years without scratching. The dial is elegant and refined, appropriate for business meetings and formal events. The perpetual calendar tracks the date correctly without adjustment until the year 2100. GPS reception happens automatically by simply holding the watch toward the sky briefly. The super titanium construction resists scratches better than stainless steel while staying lightweight. The design looks understated yet sophisticated on any wrist. Travelers love never worrying about jet lag confusion with automatic time zone updates. The accuracy rivals atomic clocks through direct satellite communication. Collectors who add this watch often stop wearing their other dress and travel pieces completely. In 2026, the Attesa GPS line received subtle design refinements, making it even more striking. When elegance meets atomic-level accuracy in one lightweight package, other watches become unnecessary. Number 8. Seiko Prospex Speedtimer Chronograph. Coming in at number 8 is the Seiko Prospex Speedtimer Chronograph, a watch that replaces your chronograph, your dress watch, and your vintage-inspired piece all at once. This watch features a mechanical automatic chronograph movement with column wheel construction. The vintage-inspired design pays homage to Seiko's legendary racing chronographs from the 1960s. The dial layout is beautifully balanced with perfectly proportioned subdials. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, suitable for daily wear and rain exposure. The sapphire crystal provides excellent clarity and scratch resistance. The stainless steel case has sophisticated brushed and polished finishing. The tachymeter bezel allows speed calculations for motorsports enthusiasts. The chronograph pushers feel precise and satisfying with every use. The movement can be viewed through the exhibition case, back showing genuine mechanical artistry. This watch works equally well at formal events and casual outings. Motorsports fans love the racing heritage built into every design element. The column wheel movement represents serious watchmaking engineering. Collectors report this single chronograph replacing 3 or 4 other complicated watches in their rotation. The versatility between dress and sport occasions is remarkable. In 2026, updated colorways and refined case proportions make this watch more desirable than ever. When one chronograph does everything beautifully, your collection of specialized watches starts looking excessive and unnecessary. Number 7. Orient Star Contemporary Skeleton. At number 7, we have the Orient Star Contemporary Skeleton, a watch that replaces your dress watch and your mechanical showpiece simultaneously. This watch features an open-worked skeleton dial revealing the entire movement in motion. The in-house automatic movement is hand-finished with visible decoration throughout. The case is stainless steel with elegant polished and brushed contrasts. Water resistance reaches 50 meters, adequate for formal and everyday wear. The sapphire crystal provides exceptional clarity for viewing the movement clearly. The power reserve extends beyond 50 hours on a full wind. The dial architecture creates genuine visual drama impossible to achieve with solid dials. The hands are blued steel, adding traditional watchmaking elegance. This watch commands attention at formal events while remaining understated enough for daily wear. The movement decoration includes Geneva stripes and perlage finishing typically found on expensive Swiss watches. Collectors are stunned this level of finishing exists at this price point. The skeleton design never gets boring because the movement is always visibly working. This single watch eliminates the need for both a simple dress watch and a complicated showpiece. In 2026, Orient Star refined the movement architecture, making it even more visually striking. When mechanical artistry meets everyday wearability, entire collections of separate dress and complication watches become redundant. Number 6. Casio Oceanus Manta. Taking number 6 is the Casio Oceanus Manta, a watch that replaces your dive watch, your dress watch, and your titanium sports watch in one incredible package. This watch features a titanium case that is remarkably lightweight while maintaining serious strength. Water resistance reaches 200 meters, genuinely suitable for diving activities. The tough solar charging eliminates battery concerns permanently. Radio wave reception ensures atomic-level timekeeping accuracy automatically. The sapphire crystal resists, scratches beautifully through years of hard use. The case shape is sophisticated and elegant, unlike typical bulky dive watches. The bracelet integrates seamlessly with the case, creating a cohesive premium look. The dial features exceptional finishing with applied indices that catch light beautifully. This watch works equally well in the ocean and at formal business dinners. The titanium construction means all-day comfort without wrist fatigue. The design proves dive watches do not need to look tool-like or aggressive. Collectors praise how this single watch handles diving trips, business meetings, and everyday wear flawlessly. The Japanese engineering combines serious capability with genuine elegance rarely found together. In 2026, updated dial colors and refined case geometry make this model more striking than previous versions. When a dive watch looks this elegant while performing this well, your separate dress and sport watches suddenly feel completely unnecessary. Number 5. Seiko Astron GPS Solar. At number 5 is the Seiko Astron GPS Solar, a watch that replaces your travel watch, your dress watch, and your tech-forward statement piece simultaneously. This watch features dual-frequency GPS reception that adjusts to your exact location and time zone automatically. The solar charging system means the battery essentially never needs attention through normal use. The titanium case is exceptionally lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, suitable for daily activities and rain. The sapphire crystal maintains excellent clarity for years of use. The dial design is sophisticated and modern, appropriate for any professional setting. The accuracy rivals atomic clocks through direct satellite time synchronization. World travelers never experience confusion adjusting to new time zones manually again. The dual-frequency technology works reliably even in challenging reception areas like dense cities. This watch demonstrates cutting-edge Japanese technology wrapped in genuinely elegant styling. Collectors who travel frequently report this watch, making other timepieces feel obsolete by comparison. The combination of atomic accuracy and refined aesthetics is genuinely rare. Business professionals appreciate looking sophisticated while carrying serious technological capability. In 2026, the Astron line introduced sleeker case profiles and improved GPS reception speed. When satellite-accurate timekeeping meets genuine elegance, your entire collection of separate travel and dress watches becomes unnecessary. Number 4. Citizen Series 8. Automatic claiming number 4 is the Citizen Series 8. Automatic, a watch that replaces your dress watch, your everyday automatic, and your design statement piece altogether. This watch features an in-house automatic movement with genuine Japanese watchmaking heritage. The case design is architecturally distinctive with faceted angles catching light dramatically. Water resistance reaches 50 meters, adequate for daily wear and rain exposure. The sapphire crystal provides exceptional scratch resistance and clarity. The dial features sophisticated layered construction, creating remarkable depth. The movement decoration includes visible finishing through the exhibition case back. The bracelet integrates seamlessly with the distinctive case shape. This watch commands genuine attention through bold architectural design choices. Collectors describe the design as unlike anything else in the affordable mechanical watch space. The movement keeps excellent time while providing genuine mechanical watchmaking satisfaction. This single watch works for formal business, casual outings, and special occasions equally well. The distinctive design means you never blend into the crowd wearing forgettable watches. Watch enthusiasts praise Citizen for pushing genuine design innovation rather than following trends. In 2026, additional dial color options and refined case proportions expanded this collection's appeal. When distinctive design meets genuine mechanical quality, your collection of conventional dress watches starts looking boring and unnecessary. Number 3. Grand Seiko Spring Drive SBGA. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Grand Seiko Spring Drive SBGA, a watch that replaces your entire mechanical watch collection through revolutionary movement technology. This watch features the legendary spring drive movement, combining mechanical power with quartz-level accuracy. The glide motion second hand moves in a continuous sweep unlike any other mechanical watch in existence. The dial is inspired by natural Japanese landscapes with texture that changes appearance in different lighting. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, suitable for daily wear and swimming. The sapphire crystal provides flawless clarity, showing every dial detail perfectly. The case finishing uses Zaratsu polishing techniques, creating mirror-like surfaces with zero distortion. The power reserve extends beyond 72 hours on a full wind. The movement accuracy rivals quartz while maintaining genuine mechanical character and craftsmanship. This watch represents the pinnacle of what Japanese watchmaking can achieve without any compromise. Collectors who own Swiss watches costing far more admit this Grand Seiko performs and looks superior. The hand finishing exceeds what most Swiss manufacturers achieve at any price. This single watch eliminates the need for multiple mechanical dress watches entirely. In 2026, new dial patterns inspired by different seasons create incredible visual variety. When movement innovation meets unmatched finishing quality, your entire collection of Swiss mechanical watches becomes genuinely unnecessary. Number 2. Seiko Prospex Marinemaster 300 Securing Silver. At number 2 is the Seiko Prospex Marinemaster 300, a professional dive watch that replaces your entire tool watch and everyday watch collection completely. This watch features a robust automatic movement built for serious professional diving. Water resistance reaches an incredible 300 meters with full ISO dive certification. The unidirectional bezel operates with precise, satisfying clicks for accurate dive timing. The case is titanium, remarkably lightweight while providing exceptional strength and corrosion resistance. The sapphire crystal resists scratches through years of hard professional use. The dial features exceptional legibility with large luminous hands, visible even in murky water. The Zaratsu polished case creates a refined look uncommon in tool dive watches. This watch handles serious diving expeditions while looking sophisticated enough for business dinners afterward. Professional divers trust this watch for actual underwater work, not just casual swimming. Collectors describe this as the last dive watch they ever needed to purchase. The build quality and reliability exceed watches costing significantly more from Swiss manufacturers. This single watch replaces separate dive watches, everyday watches, and travel pieces entirely. In 2026, refined bracelet articulation and updated lume compounds improved an already legendary watch. When professional-grade capability meets genuine refinement, your entire collection of specialized tool watches becomes completely redundant. Number 1. Grand Seiko Evolution 9. Snowflake. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Grand Seiko Evolution 9 Snowflake, the watch that genuinely replaces an entire collection through unmatched Japanese watchmaking mastery. This watch features the legendary spring drive movement, delivering quartz accuracy with true mechanical soul. The snowflake dial texture recreates fresh snowfall on Mount Iwate with breathtaking natural detail. The glide motion second hand sweeps continuously, mesmerizing anyone who sees it in person. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, suitable for genuinely any daily activity or swimming. The sapphire crystal provides absolutely flawless clarity, enhancing the dial's natural beauty. The case uses Zaratsu polishing, creating distortion-free mirror surfaces that Swiss brands struggle to replicate. The power reserve extends beyond 72 hours, providing genuine practical reliability. The hands and markers are hand-finished with precision that borders on obsessive perfectionism. This watch works flawlessly for business meetings, formal events, casual outings, and everything between. Collectors who own dozens of Swiss watches report wearing only this piece after acquiring it. The combination of movement innovation, dial artistry, and case finishing has no genuine equal anywhere in the world. Watch experts consistently rank this among the greatest watches ever produced, regardless of price or origin. In 2026, updated case proportions and refined dial texturing made an already perfect watch even more captivating. When one watch achieves genuine perfection across every category simultaneously, maintaining an entire collection becomes pointless entirely.